Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to open Santafe 2020 Android multimedia system. Okay, first of all you need to there is top here, this is top, need to open, remove, okay, by screwdriver. There is two screws from the company here, and this is two. Okay, this remove, then okay, here open this AC panel, remove the connection. Here there is two screw down. Two screw down here. Need to 1, 2 to open it. 1, 2, and 2 screen button. Then you can lose the unplug all cables behind the system. For the radio, for the power, for the everything. This is the company cables for the power. Radio. Like this 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we installing Android system. Okay. There is which cables come in the box with the system, with the Android system come in the big box. These cables. Okay. This is put in one by one. This is one. And this is two. Okay, let's finish now. This is for the power. Okay, now we have for the RC wire for the camera. See this this is here. This is the brake power. So there, here power. This is the RC wire. You need to, this wires, one's connected behind the system, one goes to back camera. Okay. This wire comes inside the camera. This wire we calling RC wire. Oh, position.
Story.
Just because before we fix it, just I want to show how we can fix the RC wire cable. You open, okay. From here, and from here you take out. This is one. It's that one for power. This one, it's replaced with this one. Okay, means this for the system. This camera. This which one is come from inside down. This is power. Okay. Okay, we need to these cables. This RC wire camera. Okay. Oh, and close the. Okay, this lose this rubber, then okay, close. Close cover. Then rubber. See the camera wires goes from the top. Okay, you lose the rubbers here. Okay, need to feed it. Then you feed it, then close it. Feed it, close it like this. Okay, then go to the next. From here, see, this is from here. Okay, now here this comes. You put here inside. Okay, then come here this way. Then do the rebel here again. You feed it till okay, from here go to this area. Okay, this buy a screwdriver or any tools. You lose, then go, then to the behind. This is for the cable. We start from behind DVD. From here, come out one plug. Then another rest goes top on the rebel. Yeah, this one here, this area, the rebel. Then go to the end till here. This is Android system. Okay, there is place for the Wi-Fi. It's mentioned there is Wi-Fi and the GPS. And this is cable. Put there. So. Okay. Then okay, this is the GPS. Okay, this GPS, which is in the box. This one. Okay, one side put here, another side put there. There is this glue remove, and they put inside, hidden. Anywhere out of space, can hit the stick. Okay, another side put for the GPS. Make sure this is both be tighted. If loose, the signal is not coming. Getting signal. Okay, then you have to plug the rest. And here,
the USB.
This is for the company USB. Okay. This is the camera. This is camera which we fix. Okay. This is 1 watt red wire for the power. Goes to this brown. This is the cable. This is the joint. This okay. Now fit like the power. Okay. Open. Finish. Now we're putting back everything. This is the radio. Don't forget radio. Okay. and now putting back all. Two screw. One is the bidon first we open, now we close. For the taking power for the camera, open this. Okay, vale, buat sisa tugas.
Yo.
Vale, ba na receiver camera.
Receiver camera injo.
Here is for camera receiver. This one goes here. You should define the or reverse power from here, from this section.
Only reverse number.
Huh? No. To take the wire, you find the power for the or reverse from here, and the joint to the camera. Which one from here goes to behind the system. Camera come here. Okay, the one side. This is the power. Give to the power. And that's coming. Yeah. Make the pot is open.
हमारा बॉस कौन?
Bos come.
حبيب شوف يا لا حبيب هو
Oh.
camera.
Cables here. From here you open under this rubber till here. Then from here down. Open this one again. This is the camera cables here. This one. This is the camera. See? This from here goes under rubber. Open. Camera cables goes here inside. This one. This one. Here.
ये वायर कैमरा से وایسی وایر است سی وایر کامل است که اینجا زده میشه و اینجا جاین میشه.
Here make drill and drill. Then camera wire. Okay. From this area. Here, come out, then join together. The cameras comes here, this camera, this cable, and this cable, these two cable. Here will join together. And the power here in power میدیم. اینجا برق میدیم.
نه. ما
This-
از اونجا میگیم
فقط-
ارد میدیم اینجا.
This is earth, negative. You take the negative from the here. Negative. Then they join two cables together. Okay, overall we will open start car. Okay, now go to reverse. 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 Okay, again. Again. Okay. Okay.